For over a century, Biltmore has offered guests exceptional hospitality and customer service across dozens of departments and hundreds of roles within them. Founded on this heritage of success and industry experience, the Biltmore Center for Professional Development shares those time-tested strategies with others through a portfolio of engaging workshops.
To drive onto the estates, to have these big, beautiful green rolling hills, and to be on a property where there's so much history.
I've been impressed over and over about the level of excellence that I see in every person that I come across, whether that's a person who works in a restaurant, someone who's working security, or someone who takes my ticket. You have to wonder how they infuse all of their employees with that same desire for excellence, because that's what I want for my own business.
Taught by leaders within the Biltmore Company, workshops are designed to be interactive and entertaining, and to equip attendees with the skills and plans they need to foster excellence within their own organizations.
I have been to several other workshops, but for me, it was being immersed in the culture here and at Biltmore.
It starts to sink into your skin a little bit even before you walk into the room. They present you with this wealth of knowledge, and you have this workbook that's wonderfully designed and resources and examples. But then they take you into different spaces, and they give you concrete things or activities to do.
Workshops extend outside the classroom with hands-on activities and eye-opening experiences.
You're told before you come in that you will be driving a Land Rover blindfolded. You realize that everybody automatically falls into specific roles, but communication is key. There's that light bulb moment where, that's the thing that sticks with you, that concrete activity that really helps sink in a theme.
Organizations around the world have used Biltmore Insights to grow profits, engage employees, transform their culture, and more.
We went back with a plan. We have a committee that came to the workshop that are meeting like every 2 or 3 weeks to get that on board.
To date, we are 20% over what we were for the entire year of last year.
And I know from the experience that I've had with the Biltmore Center for Professional Development that it's not something that just happens magically. It's something that's truly cultivated.